For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Sikh community in Washington, D.C. is hosting a drive-through food distribution for 2,100 families. Guru Nanak Foundation of America has been organizing Langar Seva in Silver Spring of Washington metropolitan area. The Sikh community is organizing the noble work in a parking lot outside a place of worship. A group of around 25 volunteers has made and distributed more than 2,100 food packages in just 7 weeks. The Sevadars were seen packing non-perishable food items in huge quantity for the needy.
We have been doing a food drive for the needy for the last 7 weeks. This is our 7th week. And firstly, we would like to thank all the Sevadars who have given their time. We are doing this food drive for anybody and everybody in the area that can drive up and gather a week's of non-perishable food. And this is every Sunday from 11 to 2.
People from all walks of lives have devoted their time to help those in need during these testing times. Even children and elderly have come forward to be a part of the selfless service to community.
I think just that thankfulness, that face, that smile on the face, I think that says it all. And we are just thankful for being able to do this. I think that that gratitude, I think, is immense. And I think more than them, it is us that are grateful that we've been able to do this.
Sevadars are self-motivated to carry out such a selfless service from the community.
That seva is an huge part of our lives, and whatever way we can do it. And so they're all, I think, motivated by themselves. Somebody's celebrating their anniversary by doing Langar Seva. Somebody is just here. Everybody has their own drive. I think it's not, everybody's their own self-motivator.
People residing in Silver Spring of Washington metropolitan area have showered praise on the Sikh community for their work.
It's a great initiative to the community, because a lot of people, they want things and need things. And when you come here to get something, it's not like anything below your dignity, but you're just looking forward for something that you can appreciate.
The process of packaging and distribution is highly systematic, while all social distancing norms are taken care of.